okay. Yes, right there. I take teeth from other people?
James, Matthew's here to play.
Hey, Matthew. Whoa! You got a Roger the Red Robot toy.
Yes, I did. My mom told me to get him yesterday. You want to see him?
Oh, yeah, I do. Wow. This is so cool. I wish I had a Roger the Red Robot toy, but they cost $20. My mom says I have to either wait 2 months until my birthday or save up my own money and buy one myself. I don't even have $1 saved.
My mom told me the same thing. But last week, I lost 2 teeth, and the tooth fairy gave me $1 for each one. That, with my birthday money, I had more than enough to get a Roger the Red Robot.
Wait a minute. I learned in school that I have 20 teeth. If I could lose all of my teeth at once, and get $1 for each tooth that I lost, that would be $20. That's just enough to buy a Roger the Red Robot toy. And this tooth in the bottom is starting to get a little bit wiggly.
No, James, that's not how it works. My older brother is only 7 years old. He's only lost 8 teeth. I mean, you haven't even lost 1 tooth yet. It's going to take you years to lose all 20 of your teeth. You're going to have to find another plan. Bye, James.
See you later, Matthew.
When James went to bed that night, he could hardly sleep. All he could think about was losing all 20 of his baby teeth at once and getting $20 from me so he could finally buy that Roger the Red Robot toy.
Wish I had a Roger the Red Robot. We would laugh and play all day. If I had a Roger the Red Robot, life would be better than today. Wish I had a Roger the Red Robot. We would jump and fly all day. If I had a Roger the Red Robot, life would be better than today. Wish I had a Roger the Red Robot. We would laugh and play all day. If I had a Roger the Red Robot, life would be better than today. Oh, I wish I had a Roger the Red Robot. We would jump and fly all day. If I had a Roger the Red Robot, life would be better than today. Life would be so much better than today. Maybe Matthew's wrong. Maybe I can lose all of my teeth at once. Tooth Fairy, I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can, please take all of my teeth at once and leave me $20. I don't really need my teeth. In fact, I think I could do just fine without them. But I really, really, really want a Roger the Red Robot toy. Thanks, Tooth Fairy.
When James woke up, he realized something was different. His teeth were all gone. Under his pillow, he found a $20 bill and a note from me.
Dear James, I took your teeth and left you the money to buy your new Roger the Red Robot toy. Let me know if you change your mind about needing all your teeth. Sincerely, the Tooth Fairy. Want to get a Roger the Red Robot? We will laugh and play all day. can fly all day. When I get my Roger and robot, life will be better than today. Yes, life will be better than today. Life will be so much better than today.
James, I put your breakfast out on the table. It's one of those crunchy granola bars you love and an apple. Be sure to drink all your milk, too.
James is hungry and really wants to eat. But without his teeth, he can't eat any of his favorite foods. All he can do is drink his milk.
James, Matthew's here to pick you up. Remember to brush your teeth before you leave.
Hey James, you ready to go? Is everything all right? You seem kind of down. Are you sure? Well, all right, let's get going. Don't want to be late to school.
When James gets to school, he's really starting to get hungry. His stomach begins to growl. But he's so excited about finally having enough money to get that Roger the Red Robot toy, he tries to forget all about being hungry.
Good morning, class. Let's start with reading. Everyone, please move to the reading circle. Okay. All right, let's begin with the first reader.
Sophia's mother told her that it was time to get ready to see the dentist. When Sophia and her mom got there, the dentist told Sophia to climb up in the big chair.
The dentist polished each of Sophia's teeth and checked them to make sure they were healthy.
The dentist told Sophia that she didn't have any holes in her teeth called cavities.
The dentist showed Sophia how to brush her teeth, making circles on the insides and outsides of her mouth.
Sophia got a new toothbrush from the dentist.
James, you sound silly. Why don't you say the words right?
James realized that he didn't sound right without his teeth. And even worse, because he wasn't able to eat any breakfast, he's getting hungrier and hungrier. As the day goes on, his stomach is growling really loudly.
Okay, class, it's time for our spelling test. I'll read the words and you write them on your paper. The first word is...
The teacher called out the spelling words for the students to write down, but James couldn't hear over his loudly growling stomach. He wanted to raise his hand and say, "I can't hear the words," but he didn't want the teacher to hear how funny he sounded. James was so embarrassed when he had to turn in a blank spelling test.
Oh, James, you didn't write down any words. What's wrong? Okay, everybody, please pack up. It's time for lunch.
Whoa, James, what's this? You get $20 for your Roger the Red Robot?
Yeah, I did.
James, did you lose a tooth? Is that how you got this? But one tooth doesn't equal $20. More teeth? 2 teeth. 4 teeth. 10? Did you lose 10? Did you lose all of your teeth, James? Well, James, you sounded pretty hungry in reading circle. What do you want for lunch? You can have carrots and dip. No? Oh, all right. You can have chicken nuggets or maybe a cheeseburger. Yeah. No. Okay. Well, you can have milk. I guess so. So, James, do you have any teeth left? How are you supposed to eat? You can't even take a bite out of a cheeseburger. Ooh, cheeseburger. James, I just remembered, today is school picture day. How are you supposed to smile with no teeth?
When James got home from school, he went straight to his room. His mother could tell that he wasn't happy, so she made him his favorite dinner, tacos. But poor James couldn't eat crunchy tacos without his teeth, so he didn't eat any dinner at all. He wanted to tell his mom and dad about his day, but he didn't want them to hear how funny he sounded, so he didn't say anything to them at all. He had studied hard for his spelling test and was really sad that he couldn't hear any of the words at all. Poor James was having a really bad day.
Can James come out and play kickball?
No, I can't.
I'm sorry, boys. James must be having a bad day. He didn't even eat his favorite dinner.
Thought I didn't need my teeth. Thought I could climb without them. Now I can't eat. Everyone's staring at me. Thought I didn't need my teeth. Thought I could climb without them. I sound funny, and I got them on my desk. I need my teeth, I need my teeth. I've got to get them back. I need my teeth, yes, I need my teeth. I've got to get them back. Need my teeth, yes, I need my teeth. I can't eat what I want. I sound funny. Everyone's staring at me. Yes, I need my teeth. Oh, I need my teeth. Got to get them back. I need my teeth, yes, I need my teeth. Got to get them back. Yes, I need my teeth. I need my teeth. I've got to get them back. I need my teeth, yes, I need my teeth. Go hear me? I'm sorry I asked you to take all of my teeth away. I realize now that I need my teeth. Here's your $20. I put it under my pillow. You can have it back. I realized that my teeth are a lot more important than I thought they were. Thanks, Tooth Fairy.
Without his teeth, James couldn't smile for school pictures, and his friends thought he was sad. He wasn't able to eat anything at all day, and he was really hungry at school. He wanted to do well on his spelling test. He didn't get to take his turn in reading circle. James really needs his teeth. Do you think I should give them back? Okay.
My teeth are back.
Under his pillow, James found a $1 bill and another note from me.
Dear James, I've given you all your teeth back. Well, almost all your teeth. That wiggly tooth in the bottom was supposed to have fallen out last night, so I kept it. I'll be back when more of your teeth are ready to come out on their own. Until then, take very good care of those teeth and brush them twice a day. Sincerely, Tooth Fairy. Well, now that they're back, I guess I better go brush them.
Now remember, James, always brush your teeth for 2 whole minutes. Brush the teeth on the top and the teeth on the bottom, and brush them in the front and brush them in the back. And don't forget to brush your tongue. James, Matthew is here.
Hey,
Hey, Matthew.
did you get your teeth back?
I sure did.
Do you still have your $20?
No, but I have $1. And that's okay. I guess I'll just have to wait till my birthday to get a Roger the Red Robot toy. And that's fine with me.
Well, I have an idea. How about we share mine?
Cool. Thanks, Matthew. My teeth are back. I can eat whatever I want. My teeth are back. My teeth are back. No more sounding strange to me. My teeth are back. My teeth are back. I can eat whatever I want. My teeth are back, my teeth are back. No more sounding strange to me. My teeth are back, my teeth are back. I can sing and play and laugh. My teeth are back, my teeth are back. Just look at my beautiful smile. My teeth are back, my teeth are back. I can eat whatever I want. My teeth are back, my teeth are back. No more sounding strange to me. My teeth are back. I realized something really important. Something more important than having a cool robot toy. It's the importance of having your teeth. The thing that was really hard about my day, besides not being able to eat and smile and talk with my friends, was that I couldn't talk to my parents or my teacher about the bad day I was having. And that's really important. When you're having a bad day, it's important that you can share that with someone you trust. I needed my teeth. You need your teeth. We all need our teeth. Will you sing with us? Will you sing with us? All right. The words are up on the screen.